Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Fashom clothing subscription. This is a clothing subscription. You do have the option of choosing when you want a shipment or subscription to be sent out to you. I chose for this one, I think it's every other month. If you are a first time subscriber to this subscription box, you will only be charged $15 styling fee, and that fee will be applied to whatever items you decide to keep. A lot of people say, why do you need someone to style you? Why do you need someone to send you clothes? A lot of people do not like to go into stores. They don't feel comfortable in dressing rooms. Some people are not too sure of what looks good on their body type. So I think clothing subscription like this help you to choose items that are, comparable to your body type. You get the opportunity to have them shipped directly to your home. You take your own time, trying the clothes on, see how they look. You can try it on with accessories, like shoes, jewelry, purses. You can always do that when you're in a department store. Yes, the items might be priced a little bit higher, but it costs a little bit more because you're getting the convenience of having the items shipped to you in your own home. And by the time you go out and you're out and about, you probably spend that little extra more anyway with gas and, food and everything like that. So, every little expense adds up when you're out and shopping. So I think the little more that you pay for this, the items that you do receive is well worth it. And if you want to try the Fashom subscription box, I do have a referral link down below. You will only be charged $15. I think after that it's like $20 or $25 or something like that. But I'll list that amount. And if you hear some noise, that's my air condition going. But we're going to jump into the video, and I'm going to show you what I got in this box, this subscription box. I just got it today, so I wanted to jump on camera and share it with you guys. And I'm so excited. And another thing about Fashom, they do give you an option of premiering the pieces that you get. I think you get a certain amount of items, maybe like 7, and you get to choose up to maybe 5 to be shipped out to you. So you kind of get an idea of what you're already getting. So I know what is in my bundle, and I'm very, very excited. So we're gonna just empty the box here. They give you some packaging to ship the items that you don't want back at no charge. It's already paid for. And you get a little envelope that says "Hello Beautiful" with some additional information. And inside of there, you will receive your invoice telling you your items and their total costs. The total cost of this box came to a subtotal of $222. 5-item discount is 30%. If you only get 3 or 4 items, you get a 25% discount. So that's a little bit different from other subscription, clothing subscription boxes. And let me make a correction right here. You can enjoy a $10 fashion credit if you use my referral link. You will get a $10 credit towards signing up. So it's $10. So with my adjustments, if I get all 5 items, my total cost will be $155.40, which is not too bad. So I'm just gonna set that right there, and this is just some additional information. Just telling you how everything works. So we're gonna jump into the bundle. Hope you can see it real good. Looks like I have some jeans on top. Like I said, I already know what it is. So these are some jeans, but they are jean shorts, which I was surprised that they picked some jean shorts for me. And I do like jean shorts. And these are just black. and they are a size large. They look a little too big, but I'm going to give them a try. I have been losing a little bit of weight, and I did go online and make some adjustments to my profile. And that's another thing. You go online and you make up a profile, and it asks you your different measurements, your sizes, your preferences, and stuff like that. So these are the Just Black Frayed Bermuda with side slit, and they are $55. So they are just some basic denim jeans. They have functional pockets in the front and the back. They have a frayed hem, and like I said, they were $55. And I think I did tell her to choose me some items because I am going on vacation next month, and I wanted her to choose some items for that trip. Now this, I was really excited when I saw this online, guys. This is a off the shoulder dress, and it is really cute. It's kind of short. It looks kind of short. I don't know if it's short. It has a tie here. So let me see how much this is. This is the Naked Zebra off the shoulder ruffle sleeve tie waist dress, and it's only $38. Can you guys believe that? Only $38, and it is so cute. I cannot wait to try this on. And they sent it in a size large. So look like they're sending everything in a large. So I'm really hoping it fits because I really like that dress. So the next item is just a top. And it's like a, I guess you can call this like a peach color. And I don't see what's, it doesn't say what size it is. It's just a plain top, and it does have some detailing here on the sleeves. This is the B stage shoulder with crisscross top, and it also is $38. Cute little top. Probably would go really good with the jeans. And this item right here, when I saw it online, it didn't really catch my eye, but I still decided to pick it out because it is a romper, which would be, you know, great for my vacation. And it's in a, you know, it's a blue pattern, has pockets, which is always a plus. It has some detailing right here. And yeah, it's just a simple romper, buttons up in the front. And this is also in a size large. And this is the Skies So Blue embroidery detail ruffle sleeve romper, and it's $49. So this was another one of my favorite, and it is also the last item, and I think I'm really going to like this. I was a little hesitant because it has this tie on the sleeves, so I hope that looks really nice. I do have some green pants, well, some green shorts that I think would look really nice with this. I don't know if they're gonna match, but I also have some yellow pants that probably would go real nice with this. I really like the print of it. It's a nice tropical print, and this is also in a size large. So they sent me all larges. This is the Lily White Paris V-neck printed short sleeve top, and it's $42. So guys, I think everything, I'm just worried about the sizes because they sent everything in a large. So I'm gonna see how it fits, and I will be back at you guys with my final thoughts. The first piece I want to share with you guys is the B-stage shoulder crisscross top, and it is $38, and I have it paired with the Just Black frayed Bermuda jeans shorts with the side slit. As you see, the top is really cute. I didn't think it was going to be this cute, but it really is really cute. Here I'm tucking it inside to give you another look. And I really do like it. It's a nice summery spring color. And as you see, the shorts fit really nice. They are a little loose. I don't know if I wear them all day, if they'll loosen up a little bit, but right now they're fitting really nice. And these were $55, so that's a little pricey for shorts, but like I said, they fit nice in the back. They are a slight too big, but they look really cute, and I like this paired with the top. The next item is the romper. This is the skies are blue embroidery detail ruffle sleeve romper. And you know what, guys? This romper actually fits me really nice. And it has lining inside. And I think that's an added plus along with the pockets here. But I'm not feeling this pattern or the embroidery, but it fits me really nice. I actually like how it looks on me. You guys comment down below if you like this romper or not. Should I keep it or not? But like I said, it does fit me really, really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. The next is my favorite. This is the Lily White Paris V-neck printed short sleeve top. The cost of this top is $42. I like the way it shapes. I even like the tie detail on the sides. I thought I wouldn't really like that, but they, look all right. I only have one side tied up, and it really is really kind of cute. I love the pattern of it. I just think this is like the perfect wrap top for the summer, and I can see this paired with some nice, jeans or with some shorts. The green shorts that I wanted to pair it with didn't quite look right with it, but I am really loving this top, guys. This is one of my favorites, and I know definitely I'm going to be getting this top because I just like the way it fits. It is the perfect wrap top to me, and it also looks good with these denim shorts that I have on. The next item is this yellow off the shoulder naked zebra ruffle sleeve tie waist dress. I'm feeling like this dress is a little too big for me, but then maybe that's the way it's supposed to be, styled. It's supposed to be like that flowy, loose fitting style. But I do like it. It is kind of short, but I do think it's perfect for the summer and spring. You can dress it up with some nice heels or even with some sandals. I just really like this color, and I like the style of the dress. Even though it's long sleeves, like I said, I think it would just still be just perfect for the summer and spring. And I think this color looks nice on me. So you guys comment down below and let me know if you think it's a little too big, because this is one of my favorites also. And it's only $38. Okay, guys, I just wanted to jump back on and let you know that I tried everything on. You saw how everything looked on me. Really, everything really looked really nice, and it actually fit. I was a little hesitant about the sizes, but they actually still really look nice on me. I don't know. I might get all five. I'm not sure, because I really like everything. The jumper, I'm a little hesitant about. I mean, it looked nice, it fit nice, but I wasn't too sure about the pattern and the embroidery on the waist like that. Wasn't really working for me. I mean, it would be a better for me if I was to get all pieces. But like I said, if you were to get all 5 pieces, you would get 30% off. But if you pick 3 or 4 of the pieces, they still give you 25% off. So if I kept everything besides that romper, I still would get 25% off, and to me that still would be a good deal. And I do have a credit, so I don't know, but I really did like the pieces. I mean, my favorites were the shorts, the dress. Even though the dress was a little kind of short, it would be great for my upcoming vacation. Like I said, everything kind of you know, fit pretty good. That was it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you a part of this YouTube family of ours. And make sure you look at my last video with my last Globe collaborative unboxing, because I am doing a giveaway on my channel. So make sure you look at that video, and I will link it for you guys so you have a chance to you know, win those awesome products that I'm giving away, have a chance to enter in my giveaway. And you know, if you're not already subscribed, please do so. Subscribe and go over to my Instagram page and start, you know, and follow me there also. But like I said, just go over to that video and it'll give you all the instructions on how to enter into the giveaway. And yeah, that's about it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.